on my bench today, an Elgin BW Raymond, this one produced in 1944. The special thing about it is that it's the only Elgin pocket watch that was certified for railroad use. For instance, it is lever set here, a requirement for the American Railroad Network, as well as large font on the enamel dial. And moving to the back, we see a high jewel count of 21 jewels. This, the caliber 590, was produced between 1944 and 1946. Only 8,000 were produced, and it is the last of a line that stretched all the way back to 1867, named after the former Chicago mayor turned first Elgin National Watch Company president, Benjamin Wright Raymond. What a fantastic legacy this is.